Guys, this is officially the first video of the year. I want to wish all my beautiful subscribers a happy new year. So today we'll be learning how to make a tab for our zip. So guys, sit back, relax and enjoy the video, and don't forget to hit on the subscription button if you haven't done so yet. Thank you. So guys, we'll be measuring out 2 inches by 1.5 inches. So this will serve us as our zipper tab. So you can see now 2 by 2.5 inches. We'll be needing 2 pieces for this. Then next, you're gonna fold in the length. That is the 2 inches. You're gonna fold it like so. Then you're gonna place it at the end of one part of the zip. Then you sew it. So next, once that is done, I will be measuring my zip clothes out. So for this project, I'm making use of 9 inches. So whatever measurement you're working with, so this is the point you're going to measure it out. So now I'm going to mark it out now with my pen, my 9 inches. Then after you've marked it out, you're going to sew below the line, not above. You're going to sew below the line, then you cut on the marked area. Let me go over it again. So after you must have measured out what you're working with, you're going to sew below the line. So now I'm working with 9 inches, so I'm going to sew, let me say like 8.8 or 8.3. Then after I must have sewn it out, I'm going to cut the marked area, so I'm getting the exact 9 inches I'm working with. Then after that is done, we're going to close the end with the zipper tab, just as we did earlier. So we're going to repeat the same process on this part. Let me point this out. I'm working on a purse, and the purse is about 10 inches wide. So I'm making use of a 9 inches zip. So if you're making use of a 8 inches, you want to make a 8 inches purse or 8 inches bag. So you make sure you leave ½ inch on both sides. So you're going to be reducing your zip by 1 inch. So I'm working with a 10-inch wideness on my purse, so I'm working with 9 inches for the zip. Hope that is clear. So guys, this is the end of our tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Till I come your way next time. God bless you.